Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Bastomi. I will be happy to accompany you to learn about stock investing. We will discuss how an investor implements a strategy in investing in stock. I have a question. Why need investment? Why need investment? Inflation is a process of increasing prices by general and keep going continuously, or in other words, it is a process of decreasing score money by keep going continuously with adjustment your pace. The meaning is invest into solution related existence inflation, because with invest your money will become productive, that is produce income, so that occur addition amount. What that investment? Investation is managed asset or assets, so that asset or asset the could give result later day. We can see investment in the capital market is with by effect for get profit in form of capital gain and dividend. Investation share, we can get asset, the meaning shares, and profit, the meaning capital gain and dividend. Capital gain is difference price buy and price sell effect. And the dividend is division profit from company to holder share. So investment could conducted in instrument form. One of them is stock. In investor, your need analyze a number of influencing factor, advantage and risk. This thing important to develop an investment strategy. In the picture, you can see in there, investation is many influence factor. Example risk, fund, profit, time period, destination, and investment ratio. So there are many type of investment. Only is shares. Overview, strategy in investing in stock. They are passive strategy and active strategy. What the difference of between the concept and difference between in the two state strategies. The meaning is strategy formulation is determined by the type of investor alone, so that between investor have different strategies. The investor, if like a place to get a high profit, they can do the active strategy, and otherwise, if they cannot like the high risk, they can take a passive strategy. Introduction. In investing in stock, investor should carefully choose a strategy. Investor can choose an active strategy or a passive strategy, but they can also combine the two. Investors who choose an active strategy They will actively select and buy and sell shares, seek information, follow the time and movement of stock price, as well as various other active action to generate abnormal return. Investor who choose a passive strategy will tend to be passive in investing in stock and will only follow the market index. So, in general, the strategies upheld by investors are in the form of active strategies and passive strategies. Aside from type of investor, purpose investment also has an impact on strategy selection. For example, investor who want to income in period time short, then the selected active strategy that is with do stock trading. On the other hand, if investor want income routine long term, then strategy passive can upheld. So you can take a active or passive strategy. Deepen the skill you are to analyze shares. The passive strategy in efficient market concept said that if the market really efficient, no will there is any investor can obtain abnormal return above market return. Investor who use passive strategies believe that current market price is price that reflects core intrinsic share depth. Strategy used in passive strategy portfolio share include 1. Strategy, you can buy and hold strategy. 2. Strategy follow index, indexing strategy. The passive strategy is very easy to do because you can buy and you hold your shares to long time. One by strategy and save. In this strategy, investor buy amount stock and fix holding it for a number of time certain. Buy and save strategy can carried out by investor in compositions consisting of from many shares or only a number of type stock. 2. Following strategy index. Strategy follow index. This in practice can depict it as purchase instrument, mutual funds, or pension funds by investors. With by instrument mutual funds, investors hope that performance investment in the group stock in instrument mutual fund already is duplication from performance market index. So, investor who choose passive strategies must more selective in analyze stock to be hooked out from fundamental aspect. They are performance, financial, and technical, movement pressures. This is conducted because shares that have been booked will result in period a long time. So if performance purchase company no sustainable, then investor periods drop price stock. Profit earned in the form of dividend per year. Actually, active strategy, the objective of the active strategy is to achieve a stock portfolio return that exceeds the stock portfolio return obtained through a passive strategy. The strategy are usually used by investors in carrying out an active stock portfolio strategy. They are one, first stock selection, second sector rotation, and third price momentum strategy. Next, the first stock selection. Investors actively analyze and select the best stock, namely stock that provide the best return risk relationship compared to other alternatives. The selection is made based on fundamental analysis in order to determine the prospect for these shares in the futures. Investor will buy stock whose intrinsic value is above market price, undervalued, and sell stock whose intrinsic value is below market price or overvalued. So you can buy in the cheaper, price, and you can sell in the higher price. Next, the second sector rotation. This strategy is usually carried out by investors who invest in domestic stock only. In this case, investor can do two ways. First, invest in shares of companies engaged in certain sectors to anticipate cyclical change in the economy in the futures. Make modification or change to the weight of the portfolio of shares in different industrial sectors to anticipate change in the economic cycle, growth, and value of the company shares. In this description, we can understand if stock chart in accordance by the same characteristic in the some sectors. Each sector have a momentum to grow up their price shares. We can utilize the momentum to do the trading shares to take a profit, the momentum. Next, Riley and Brown categories stock per industrial sector into 5, namely 1. Financial sector stock, 2. Durable consumer goods sector stock, 3. Capital goods sector stock, 4. Basic industries sector stock, 5. Stock in the stable goods sector. In this strategy, investors buy shares of certain sectors which are expected to increase in value beyond the market return. But in the Indonesia, we can have the Bursa Efek Indonesia. In there, we can classify the stock in 9 sectors. Stock on the IDX can be classified into 9 sectors, namely 1. Agriculture, cover shares in the field effort, plant, food, plantation, animal husbandry, fishers, forestry, and service others who are directly related with field debt. 2. Mining, cover shares in the field effort mining and quarrying, such as coal, oil and gas mining, ore metal, rock excavation, soils, clay, sand, salt mining and quarrying, mineral mining, materials, chemicals, and materials fertilizers, as well mining gypsum, asphalt, and limestone. 3. Industry basic and chemistry. Covers shares in the field effort industry basic and industrial chemistry include to in industry base that is effort basic material change become good have so or good so that still will proceed in sector economy next. Include to in industry chemical covers effort processing material related chemical the basic to the use in the production process next and industry pharmacy. Example, cement, ceramic, glass, porcelains, product metal, material chemicals, plastic and packaging, feed livestock, wood industry, papers, and others. Next, industry engines. Cover shares in the field effort making machines heavy, not light, including component supporters. Example, machines and tools, heavy equipment, automotive and component, textile, clothing, footwear, cables, and electronic. Next, industry goods consumptions include share in the field effort processing that transform ingredient basic or have so becomes good. So in the general could consume private or home states. Example, food and beverage, factor tobacco, pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and equipment house states. Next, property, real estate, and construction building. Include to insures in the field construction, cover effort manufacture, repair, assembly, house, and various type building. Include to in real estate stock, include effort buying, selling, leasing, and operating various types building the place stay and not the place stay. Next, infrastructure, utilities, and transportation include shares in the field effort provisions energy, facilities transportation, and telecommunication route. So route, airport, port, and their component, as well as building infrastructure and service supporters. Building infrastructure covers non-building and house construction. Next, finance includes shares in the fixed effort-related sector finance, including bank, institution financing, insurance, company effects, and institution finance others. The last, trade, service, and investment includes share in the fixed effort trading, wholesale, and retail, as well as effort-related sector service such as hotels, restaurant, tourism, advertising, printing, media, service health, computers and devices, investment, and others. So in the Bursa Efek Indonesia or share market, there are many shares collected in accordance the characteristic shares. Usually in Indonesian, we can research the one sectors to be a sample and population. And the each sector have a momentum to go on the price shares. Example, we can see the sector coal. The price share can go on in the winter season because the purchase are go on. So investor who choose passive strategies must more selective in analyze stock and fundamental analyze. But you can see the momentum, this momentum to take a profit from the capital gain trading. In these pictures, you can see the illustration of the momentum, the cyclic economy, share financial economy, durable good consumer good sectors stock, share sector good, share sector industry base, and stock of the staple good sector. In this picture, you can see if each sector have a momentum to go on and join their price shares. And the second active strategy, price momentum strategy. This strategy based on reality that at times certain stock market price will reflect movement earnings or growth company. In this strategy, investor will looking for momentum or right time. At the right time, change price happened can give profit or investor took action, sell or buy stock. Various techniques for looking for the right moment. First, make map at our chat movement price stock. So you can use the technique, analyze technique. The second, use computer for determine best time for buy or sell stock. So you can automatically make a trading plan with the ion or computer. Investor who choose active strategy have opportunity more profit and big high price, but also have high risk too. This thing cause because investor focus on buying price stock when experiencing decrease and will sell if price share will experience decline. Investor must dominate analyze technical for can read estimation movement stock. So this is the opportunity to investor can get the big return, but they are high risk too. Suitable to do active strategy is the mastering analytical techniques. So if you beginner in investation market share, so you be careful because this condition is very fluctuative. You must see the opportunity to take a profit or cut loss. So in the explanation for the fundamental analysis and the technical analysis can be learned. can talk my colleague. So please make an explanatory video related to the capital market in the Philippines distribution sector stock. Upload videos to YouTube favorite and share the link to group WhatsApp. This is the text for this meeting in this week. Share your explanation video link with your friends for capital market education. The more likes, the better. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.